Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के तुलबा के लिए है। आर यू रेडी टू लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन? लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन। तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी लर्नड अबाउट सब्ट्रैक्शन इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोस। टुडे वी विल learn to solve the word problems. Let's solve some word problems of subtraction. Are you ready? Let's start. What is the first question? Nagma had 5 berries. She gave 3 berries to Salma. How many berries are left with Nagma now? Nagma had 5 berries and she gave 3 berries to Salma. Let's draw 5 berries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These berries are Nagma's and she given 3 berries. We will cut 3 berries. How many berries will left here? 1, 2. The answer is 2. Understood? Very good. It means when we subtract 3 from number 5, the answer will be 2. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So dear students, see the next question. A fruit basket contained 9 custard apples. My brother distributed 6 of them to his friends. Find the number of custard apples remaining in the basket. First, how many custard apples in the basket? 9. So draw 9 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And how many custard apples are given? 6 custard apples are given or distributed. So we will cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. And how many custard apples are remain? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. It means 9 custard apples were in the basket and 6 custard apples were distributed. So 3 custard apples will be left in the basket. Understood? Very good. So dear students, see the next question. There were 3 pencils with Samaira. She gave 1 pencil to her friend. How many pencils are left with Samaira now? First, how many pencils Samaira had? She had 3 pencils. We will write 3 in this box. And she gave 1 pencil to her friend. 1 pencil given to her friend. What we have to do? We have to subtract. So, how many pencils are left with Samaira now? 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils had Samaira. She gave 1 pencil to her friend. How many pencils are left? 1, 2. The answer is 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Understood? Very good. So dear student, see the next question. There were 4 laddus in a jar. Balbir ate 1 of them. How many laddus are there in the jar now? How many laddus were in the jar? 4 laddus. 4 laddus in the jar. Balbir ate 1 laddu. It means we have to write 1 here and we have to subtract 1 from 4. Remaining laddus in the jar. How many laddus are there in the jar now? Let's count. First, we will draw 4 laddus. Balbir ate one of them. We will cut 1 laddu. How many laddu will remain? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Understood? Very good.